Fluency, Fluentness, Fluent, Fluently. Hello, welcome back to Channel Masala. This is Shabari, and today our topic is related to the word fluent. And I'm going to give you a few ideas related to presentation. You'd heard from lips to lips about the word fluency. He speaks Malayalam language fluently. She is fluent in Tamil language. Neither Kumar nor his wife is fluent in English. When I asked what is fluency to many people, they replied, speed. But I was not satisfied. It is not simply speed. Any Dick, Tom and Harry can speak a bunch of words. Are they grammatically correct? No, they just pass the message. It will not be helpful for teaching or for stage presentation. Then what is fluency? Actually, the meaning of fluency is a flow of words without any hindrance, with appropriate stress and pause. According to me, fluency is an art. You will get it through continuous practice and experience. Continuous practice in the sense, number one, reading. Try to read and grasp the meaning of any paper you get it in your hand. If not, read just 2 words per day in the dictionary. This type of practice will help you to build more new vocabularies, and it will help you to enhance your presentation as well as your writing skills. Number 2, try to learn the proper pronunciation through listening. It plays a vital role in the presentation. I have seen non-natives try to imitate native speakers. Imitation is good. At the same time, practice before the mirror to check your mannerism and your facial expression. Otherwise, to get the pronunciation, you try hard. Sometimes, your facial expression may look weird. Here, the audience will enjoy your expression, but not the message you try to pass. So, you try to practice global accent and try to speak without any grammatical error. Practice makes a man perfect. Read a lot to learn new words. Imitate the good speakers, bulletin readers, commentators, television presenters, etc. to learn the different way of expression. I suggest the kids to watch, listen and imitate the language spoken in the Discovery Channel, Animal Planet and National Geographic, which are telecast in English language. Comprehend your listeners and based on their level of understanding, come out with valuable stuff before them. If you follow these ideas, one day you will find a positive change in your language. That is fluency. All the best. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you would have got some information. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Channel Masala. Bye-bye.